have promised myself that I will start recording vlogs as soon as I arrive here, and it's been 3 months already that I'm here, and I even bought a camera, and now I'm recording on iPhone. Um, but yeah, I thought let's press record and see what wants to come out. The reason why I'm sharing this is the invitation for all of you who are feeling burned out, high performance women and men, all of you who feel this chest pressure and the feeling often that your breath is really shallow and very fast, the feeling of overwhelm that you cannot finish all the tasks that you have, which will never happen, and just deep longing to change something. This is for you. I'm sitting here in the nature park in Portugal on 70,000 square meters with several stone houses from the old age, all restored, renovated. It's actually a community where a couple of us decided to invest and to start a community of international people. Actually, the word international is not the word that I like, that I want to use. It's more just people who are people of the earth, people who live here on this planet. That means everybody. That means international, but that word is so very strict and connected to the definition of, not being from one place or being of the other place. And the invitation is to find time and space for you to slow down. Me too, I was also the super trooper example of high performance woman, of a person who always tried to achieve more, who didn't have time for herself, and then had a burnout. And being 50 plus, being mature and wise, now I know that I should have done it way before. But that's the reason why I'm speaking. That's the reason why I want to call in all the people who feel that it's time to slow down, to go into silence as often as possible, not completely. You don't need to go to an abandoned island, but to start practicing moments, minutes, even seconds throughout the day to slow down, to listen, and to hear what your soul is longing for. Because as long as we are running, rushing, chasing, trying to get on time and doing it on repeat on and on and on again, we cannot hear. Our soul is whispering, and as long as we are on this volume, we cannot hear this volume. So my idea was to have this channel to offer inspiration for the people who are searching for their ways, their tools, their how to slow down, to still achieve a lot, but start living from within, from the heart, more in harmony with themselves, and then witnessing how everything around us is changing, how we start just attracting into our lives possibilities and people and ideas that are mind-blowingly beautiful. And if you want something like that, if you want to even maybe have a taste, a flavor of how we live here in this paradise, let me know. I'm here to support. My life's and my soul's and my heart's mission is to inspire and to support people who hear the call, people who are ready. And if this is you, let me know. Send me a comment, send me a message, an email, and let's see how we can make it happen.